All right.
Okay, so we're going to do a little bit different scenario with the Autel Evo here. Travis is the pilot. He's got the settings the same as what we showed. He has all the sensors turned off except for the downward sensor. What we're going to do is we're going to fly it through this door. This is going to be more of a entry type scenario where we're going to try to fly it through the door, and he's going to fly it in there until
I didn't do that. It shut itself off.
okay, we'll try arming it again. It might just be because of so it's just sitting there. It doesn't want to idle.
Yeah.
This is why you're wasting my time. So anyway, we're going to fly it through the door, and then we're going to see how far we can fly it through this building. Now, as soon as he starts losing any signal, we're going to go ahead and stop. So whenever you're ready, Travis, I'm going to come around here and get to where we can follow it indoors. Hey, what mode do you have it on? Is it on precision? It's on precision? You might need to turn your expos down a little bit. It's still pretty harsh movements, isn't it?
Which one?
Never mind. You'll be okay. Just small stick input. I'm babbling. Okay, so it's going indoors. I'm going to come around here. Thank you, sir.
That's a drone game.
What's beeping? Flight deck? So the stability of this platform flying indoors with turbulence is really good. I don't see a whole lot of reaction to turbulence. So far he's come through the doors, through this first hallway. Yeah, hopefully he, hopefully. Watch out.
Yeah.
Don't let it run into you. All right, I think you should probably stop there. I don't know if he's gonna. There we go. Tell him to stop. Tell him put it down. Put it down. Tell him to land. Tell him to come inside. Start walking towards inside. There you go. There we go.
Well, you know it'll stop and hover.
Okay, yeah, well, it did. So here's a. I'm just going to walk the path back. This is good information for, especially for police who are going to want to use these for interior operations. I'm going to go ahead and walk the path. It's right here. We went down this hallway. This is probably about 50 feet.
I started losing signal as soon as I turned down this way. Right where the entry part was.
Went down this hallway.
Yeah. And that's why I walked closer so I could land it.
And that was probably about 100 feet. Was through these doors, through this set of doors, and the pilot was standing right out there on the loading dock. So that was the duration. We lost signal. Pilot lost control and video and came in to recover. So that's kind of our second test for indoor flying with the Autel Evo.